Guys, the rain slap the morning, babe. The rain don't.
Yeah, no, don't take bomb class up in my bush, you know.
Hey!
I have a tree, move me, God.
We have a whole heap of cow shit for clean up, my love. Camping site ready. Lovely. Come on, last birdie. I reach far right here in Turkey. What we did? We'd have some seasoned chicken left over from Christmas. So we're going to chop it up. Yeah.
Go straight down.
Hello, no. Tell him where we got this man in Jamaica go buy chicken. Tell him what Scooby last coming back in from.
You talk too much.
You're last.
You're not last. You're not last.
What you mean you're not last?
Me not last.
One road. The man
one
last,
road.
birdie. I reach far right here in Turkey. What we did?
Bigger.
What's that? Yes, I'm going to last time I look for some soup. Just go around and see the birdie.
Me not take the third big. I'm going straight. Let me go to it.
So we don't know where we
I told me I'll go.
So when you reach back a Mountain View,
that's the building when I tell you about the light up.
when you reach the rock road, you will take the right turn.
Yeah.
And you're going
I'm
straight.
going straight. Straight right turn. I'm making a leader.
Yo, and the far reach, do you know?
Me I go. Come here, say me not say nothing what me know. That's fine. I used to be
You got
a rate town side out there, so.
Yeah, rate outside me I go. Side the road out the bad.
No, so the road smooth, man.
Smooth yo. It's bad yo.
Unless you turn there, you get to them.
And now when he mash up,
Me tell us about them. But
But say, and you let you turn there, you get to.
and then Kian and Cherokee say they don't know when they need that, you know.
No, me no know me. The Cherokee probably know him there, but me not have a clue. Me not have a clue about the road, yeah.
oh, there's a road smooth. So now I must wrong place to go.
Me tell you,
Let me tell you, man.
Most of the turn there, you get to.
And a rate outside you go.
Turn and go straight round. Everybody smooth, go straight at town.
Straight out to town. Every building out there big and high up in here.
No, sir, no, that's what Scooby did it.
You turn now, get to man.
I get to enjoy
Scooby
it.
turn somewhere.
The school laugh, I'm done now. I'm not talking about me last.
You did last, what you mean?
way.
I nearly found.
I know, I show me show Kian one place.
What
I
place?
say, yeah, yes, the place there, where the light place.
No, the only question, the only words come out of your mouth is Cherokee where we
I'm
there.
going to show you.
What about the light place if they don't show
I don't
me?
know now, Kian. Say, you know,
Number 4.
Supposed to kill the pigeon in back around. Me not play with water.
Oh, mad.
Me not play with
They
no
put that a
water.
reason. That's why I stand up there so I stay right there, so.
That they are too far too.
Bomb.
Oh,
Alright, we need that.
you want to stop us a little bit?
Yeah.
You can stop a little bit.
Oh, I'm going out there, sir.
Oh, you see them, I tell you about.
Oh, yes, sir, the OFC place.
Yeah, me I tell you, say a
We
restaurant.
sell all bun and cheese and biscuits.
At a restaurant.
A restaurant. When we go by festival and sit down.
Oh, me need some ice, some park properly now.
I'm going to my park. Hold on it. Take up the phone. Dirty water down here somewhere.
Make everybody come up on the side here.
Park it.
Yeah, man. When you watching yourself when you come, don't go over the bush.
Don't go to people in house. Oh my God, which part OFC? The way you saw with it, where you saw name?
Junction.
When you hear that cuties, that's where we are.
At Castleton with it.
Castleton?
A junction.
Junction with it, Jaro.
Yeah, Castleton Junction. Alright.
This is the Cassital Junction.
Castleton long time, brother.
The people don't know what them there.
Them both map. Junction with it, brother.
Oh,
pass this sign out there, so we'll say.
Welcome to Junction.
Dave,
A
take up
junction,
the
you
phone a
say?
little bit.
This is a junction with it, Jaro. What pick them now? Don't come out. Come. Jump and sack.
I can put my charger up.
Watch your back, bro.
What is?
Hi guys.
So we never know.
We're lost people.
Careful.
Oh, cuties! Like, when you just hear them a while ago, them know them there. I don't know them there either. But if y'all don't know by now, we are heading to Portland. Yes, we're spending 2 days in Portland. We're gonna turn up. It is hot. It's so hot. Oh my God. Lucky, can you hold this for me, please? Let me put this thing on me. Hold this. Where you look for lighter?
Yeah.
Tita.
Let me turn on the camera so it can back out some of the music they don't miss. So. Hold on. Hold on, guys.
Sure.
Alright, cutie, so there's this place called OFC. I don't know what is it about, but out here rum. Some say with the junction.
A junction, whatever.
Some say with that one next place, but I have a clue. But yeah. Burns, where you look for? Where you buy yourself? Oh, so.
Yeah.
Over there, say chicken place there.
Whole skin and pig tail and chicken for nice one.
When there? Where's in the Burns?
Whole skin, pig tail and chicken for.
I want them there, you buy? Anybody know yam pork get yam today? I need water. Who am I cook? What? Come to you.
Something to drink?
Come cook another bar there. Juice over there. Don't come. Where? Alright, come go up there, sir. Where you ask me? Alright, let's go up there, sir. Come on. You thirsty? Alright, let's go get some feed. Bomba. Long line, my love. Maybe long line I just eat chicken. I just juice in the one. I just juice in the one, right? Maybe when you can get like snack. Look on the line out there, so now we come like say people at Jamaica love chicken, so every chicken line full. Because you're not going to save the for line in there. Go check now. Oh, you smoke. Jerky, you smoke too? The people in them want juice. That's why nobody now move. You come out, you stand up and look. Son, yes, son, that me the one that must send me here, so.
Come.
All of my pea soup. No chicken food. When you do that now, what gonna happen? But it took a front over, baby. Now what is not carry that?
Visa float so, visa load up, visa forward.
Oh, it's so different. Hold on. But I know, if I'm not reaching that carry, if I'm not something to eat, just switch the plate then. Okay? You don't have to get miserable. You can't deal with the miserableness today. You can't manage. You can't want one soda and one food? Yeah, she young. How much is that, man? What you say you want, turkey cranberry water? Cranberry juice? I want cranberry juice, please.
One star.
Yeah, and a ginger beer, please.
Blast off with fast and
Who for this? You can manage it?
One star.
There you go. Oh, we have more change? Give me toast, though. More one beer. Alright, wanna go on?
I'm not a beer winner, man.
Send me not a beer. I want to say the video with the whole of PMP in one day.
Yeah?
That's all.
That Tony look like back in the days. But so that Tony look like back in the days the rat did. Watch your Christmas tree. I beg for dear life. I want sun to blow upon it.
Christmas tree, that's
one branch.
Yeah, Christmas tree.
One branch that left there is standing
Yo!
I mean, I see a leaf.
Not even a leaf on the tree. Or Christmas branch. Then creative, bad. Not that money in my way.
So next time I want to see across the road.
Wait.
See, they want to
So we just drive.
Yeah, you see people are.
Send me, you don't see
I make cook here.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah, we want to take picture. We all want to take a picture.
What's a St. Mary?
A Saint what? A Saint Mary, the one that's so bigger. So a Saint Mary, you want to say?
No, because I send me already.
I'm put. No, so you say. The one.
So with the two places at once.
Yeah. And you want to say the Portland?
Yeah.
Then I St. Mary, this is coming here, sir.
You know what I say?
Yeah, with
When you're there, sir, Portland, you go.
Come on. If you ever seen another soup here,
I went there.
cow skin and pigtail for kill. Jesus. Jerky, you want some?
That woman I want to come at home.
You say you don't want none jerky? You belly full? You don't drink soup?
As a man,
Bigger say, as a man.
everyone knows soup. What's the man is, brother?
And porridge.
You not drink porridge, I'm drink soup hard.
You not drink porridge? Me love porridge. Especially Camille porridge.
No, my love.
That me love.
I can't stand Camille porridge.
I can't be bothered, I don't drink porridge.
Give me a little oats porridge or a little Dominican. No Camille porridge, I don't like that.
You know, so when the man tell me I told
Okay, you want to pick here, man.
so Dominican porridge, I make sure I turn my head with me out so we go turn the day. We don't want to drink. So we have to rain now for the Poland.
Hey!
Listen to your set.
Yo, never come
Yeah,
to
listen to your set long time. I swear.
It's a one portion rain. Last time many people were
Constantly.
rain fall away as rain.
If Scooby can't talk full in chest, Scooby is a good young boy.
That big man. I know that blood can big people there, so.
All people something.
We need cash, you know.
We do want
some
to
cash.
sale. Oh, alright, go on.
Oh. I hope we don't want it until tomorrow when we can send out the money here. Cuties, we're in Portland, finally.
Portland Christmas tree big and nice though.
I tell you, they're festive down here.
You got only 1% and you gone.
True, not true. Any in Carol go so which part river the panda little campsite there? I'm gonna river tonight. That was that was silly.
Mini Marta.
Cuties with some teeth broke.
You know so?
No money have, ja?
10,000.
That's how we have left for 10?
10,000.
We're very broke. We're gonna come and take care. We got a tour guide, he's in front of us, and he will carry you through Portland and she carry which part of the campsite there. Yeah, so we're just following. So when we reach at the site, we're showing them what's going on. I'm excited for this.
The town full of church. What I say every corner.
This is what church going here.
Me account a while ago, you know, I told me stop on this code. It's like church like A.
You give up on the counting.
Something like house and church.
But we have set up camp. No, no, never set up a tent yet?
Manual at the panel. Not manual.
No, it's not a manual.
Some kind of tent on the back with manual. What are you saying?
Big ever put up a tent yet? He said for call him when the tent is set up?
You call him Ross.
A man, him a look.
We can use weight and fix it. Tell him.
Then the man, that man said manual should have on it.
Person should send a manual.
Could be what's in the rain now fall apart.
Jesus
Yeah, no
Christ,
rain now fall and rain
I
now.
can't take the mouth and those evening breezes.
Even
I'll make a show as this.
Water heavy door.
The tent waterproof?
yeah, it is. Water can go in at the tent.
So what do you bottom? It lift up?
It has plastic or something on the bottom of it.
So while the water run on the bottom, you know make a cool.
Well,
You know catch a cool at water, you know. For never find a house. Tell me I tell them that.
Yo.
Fall leave up above. You see? Watch it. See there? See how I fall there?
Will it fall in
Aye.
that tree?
Yeah. So we forgot.
project stop. Yeah, we could stop.
You're in the make birdie tell you.
We could stop our project if a PR one.
Jesus, Scooby. The rocking. The rocking is rocking, my love. Yeah. Oh, bad.
Yeah, but give it chuck, yes.
I love you. No, just show me white chapel in. Over the chalk. Shed the sun.
We don't have you. And then
Hey, I country, but
One time we mix it out with all the sour sap leaf and
and drink.
Oh,
I'm alright. You see, man? Yeah. So everyone ain't going to play a game. Yeah, man, I'm soon catching.
But you're not night, you know.
Right now, I'm ready to talk about try.
After 4.
I go far on tries right now.
No, because I'm not.
Jesus
bush you go? Camping with so
It's the cutest we've been driving and driving and driving.
So, Ken, the girl we're
And the
saying
campus
never
never
call.
left,
But I will do camping from Portland, you don't call her.
Me not call her. The kids them weak, man.
Eh?
Them up.
Yeah.
Them a look out.
Wonder what then?
Yo. No sir.
I'll cushion, I'm straight, don't cook and cushion drink. Why I'm doing?
almost one real camping site the man I carry up on too.
This serious now.
That time, all I'm turn half.
Let's see. This serious. We're not too sure where we are going now.
see no house, no nothing, no.
We are load up us in the bush.
Yeah, I'm not saying no night.
No afraid? But you get scared.
No, but that's not the story, you know.
Why?
I don't bomb up last year when I'm a bush, you know.
Hey!
Like a tree move, my God.
That's the reason why me insist the bigger come, because I know you will run left
That's
people.
when me know if you're packed and you can't drive left for this.
Me know.
I will run down all the fun and pass. I will run down
Yo! No sir.
pass all the van. Oh.
Full speed.
And this road is a fucking narrow and you can't drive fast on it.
Aye. And we can't tell this some people are spread out.
And the what?
Spread out.
Fuck off.
Heading at the game.
I'm not going to hiking, I don't bring any kids.
But I'm not hiking this bigger camping.
Camping.
And it's for the kids. Yes, it's camping.
No.
Where we a run go?
Back there for run.
Hey. Fuck over there.
Where we a run from?
Now run go away.
There ain't nothing to run from.
I run go nowhere.
Unless you see some wild pig or something. If
And that me
anything,
not run from.
we'll kill him backside and
Me dead
cook
serious,
him.
me not run from the wild pig.
Where the wild pig
Then
not
when I run in, I
run?
must run down.
So when you're talking
But Scooby have
In
machete. Scooby have machete. We chop him up. And John have machete. I be a machete, but
what? I want to roast it.
what you carry? What you carry bigger?
The bag.
You carry your
Blood
Yes,
clot.
I am. Me a boss scissors.
Yo!
Fully blood clot. Me not run from nothing wild card. They say when you run the fast, you run and the angry the animal get me. You run from a wild pig, make people jump me down and kill me.
Well, that's the only thing that I would say. Nothing else scary no out here. I don't far no you look for
Sorry,
beer
never fucking thing.
and all these things, right? I'm thirsty.
And the man
But they
with
can't
the
what to
gun
do
beside him before night
You want
come
some,
down.
right?
Yeah. I'm thirsty, man.
My hot? My hot now. What my hot like fire?
You hot?
Yeah, up on the hillside, the hot bad.
You never see this yet.
It's gonna be an hot.
Why you carry so far from the river?
In my car, we go with the campsite, they bigger.
But we
And
want
them
to
say-
the river or near the beach.
What is a river there? A campsite, this side, yes, sir?
What's the mad?
Oh,
I'm up in my mountain near reach.
well, and they want to just have patience and trust.
We turn down again.
I don't at the river, man. So a riverside there.
But two river we are going.
Such a river. Very wicked.
Then my foot feel wet.
Girl, bye.
Where? With bush.
Hey, yo, we have to take them up, because what? Cuties, we are here. We have a whole heap of cow shit to clean up, my love.
This river look heavy.
It look heavy.
Come think when I carry we probably can see some girl and sit to her.
Oh, yeah, tell a camping we go. You don't know where big at here, boy?
This is so cute.
But oh, them can't, we can't swim in the river, yeah? The river deep. It look deep and heavy.
Yeah, look heavy.
Me can me that say we could have the over the sand in a shallow part, but the part which part you can. One my camp set right there, so. You know, say I be a mother everywhere. Which part is setting up, go on? Oh, that's so, okay. Jesus?
Then if rain fall in the river, not come down.
The way this look, the way this look high. Over there, some already.
No.
So what out there, Sato?
Yeah?
What out there?
No, man, no, you say everybody.
So I walk from out there, come here,
No,
so.
one next, look at. You see out there, sir? You river run the right road, you know. It's a one river, one next river come for up, you know.
Hey.
Grandly out, they say this is a back river. Where Grandly out, you say.
Hey, we not take out the food, mate.
We not take out none, go back in the car, we not reach. No.
We are going back out, sir?
I don't know, also, the man said the camping site there. Some over there, so.
Right, over there, brother.
Where you go, brother?
The back on the river.
This?
Yeah.
So you come over?
No, I see river.
We think we reach. We get comfortable a while ago. Me tell we think we reach.
Stay side the river?
No, then the rain come. Yeah, this not look safe. We can't lift up tent and picnic at the same time, so let's go to the right place.
Why? We can't stand up and drink a beer shit.
And that's the next thing too. Nothing can set up yourself, too much shit out there. So bigger, come take your time and drive. Let's go. You can't walk if you don't want. All the children don't walk if you don't want. Being lazy, they don't come walking out of. Yo! Kiddies, I thought this was the camping ground, but it's not. It's actually the river they must show we. I'm tired. Alright, let's go.
Warm to you.
This is something to what the fuck say this? What that?
Smell it.
What is this, rum?
I think so. Alcohol them here.
What is
You know, oh, you can't tell me about country rum.
I'm not drink rum. I can't parry my drink. Cute is jerky. What is that? Try to set up 10 to 20 minutes sure me stay so.
Hey, Emma,
Set up
pass the
your
lime
food.
juice. That is good then.
When I jizzle?
The water not there. Oh, yeah, I can set the 5 to 10 minutes stay.
Me, jerky, I go and set up. And that me I set too. Me rent 2 big tent and 2 little tent. The big tent that jerky? What 1 hour look big tent? Yeah. Hey! One of them me video call a man here. We're 4,000 for 1 big tent. For 1 night.
I call you that, you know.
Cause I could have never see us in that a big tent.
Call him on there.
Okay, come.
You know, he's right now there, I want to sleep. Boom, in the vehicle, look in the vehicle.
So on camping ground here, the man said we forgot that and feel free to tell them, say if you know this, give him this. Which part of that then? Near you, sir? Far?
Yeah, I want like one resort place, like.
What I'm saying?
On camping place, yeah.
So better go there, sir. Yeah, better go there, sir. You can't carry up there?
Eh?
You carry up there?
We can make a show now, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, come.
Come, pack up.
Can't deal with that something here.
Yeah, come here now.
So. Every camping, everything there. It's fine, I'll pay going. Me not stay here, so. Me can't stay out here, so Scooby. No, you're nothing what me are thinking in my head can't do, yeah, so. Too much pitney and too much cold. Me not sleep then next sitting there. Take it for me. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. So, cuties, we are changing location because we're not too fond of the cow pasture. We can't stay night. Here you go. So, we're going to find somewhere else and go. I'm tired and hot. Tormented. I want to take the wig off a maid right now.
Already?
I tell you.
We can't touch one.
The wig off a maid.
You don't have no clip?
I have some clip, man. Let me make sure. So I'm pack up some clip.
You don't make sure sew the back height?
No, so my ear, so the wig for my head?
Yeah.
You
should have made sure sew the back.
What make?
So you can catch up the ear.
Oh, I'm still a catch.
The other 2 parts of the rest of the cock out.
I still a catch that back side. I'm busy so the back look. Be catchy. Alright, cuties. I'll check back in when we reach the place. Two person have a plate. All the better. How about music there? Hello. I know, I'm so sorry. That's me.
Alright, so I don't know how much information you got.
I didn't really get a lot. You just say it's a good place and I should just call you and
Oh, that's it.
yeah.
Alright, so
Oh, I'm sorry.
sorry. $3,500 per night per person.
Mm-hmm.
Have the kitchen.
Okay.
So here's the kitchen.
Curious, they got kitchen space. Fridge, stove over there, so grill over there, so all type of pots and pan, running water. Nice. And come here talk, you know. So you said $3,500 per person a night, and that comes with. Do we get tents or is
Yeah, I'm
just
going to give you drinks, baby.
everything? And we we already rent tents, but that's fine. I guess we can't do nothing about it.
It really make no sense to you, right? Because whether you have the tent, yes or no,
We still have to pay the $3,500.
definitely. So it don't make no sense.
$3,500 per person?
$3,500 per person. If the kids are $3,500 too,
I
I don't think so. Can't be. The kids, them
no. We
tiny,
have to
just
go
adult
work
them.
out something for them. Like how they are so small,
Right.
we just have to work out
Only
something.
one big girl out there.
Everybody's a
Four
baby.
kids.
So, I think we're gonna just charge them. Let them do one thing then.
Okay, that's it. Right. We good.
So let me just show you the things that I have.
What the man them there? How come make sure bigger? Look forward now.
Oh, that's my nephew.
Hi.
You'll see him.
Everything good so far.
And he likes to stay up, so
You'll be here.
yeah, until he's ready to leave.
Oh yeah.
Now
Okay.
go to cook something tonight? Okay, I didn't know.
That won't be a problem.
That won't be a problem. We have more people, more fun.
All right.
Say the woman no up here. The bird is come up on the wall. Birds and from the apartment.
Yes, it's one apartment. Big house.
So we got to set it out.
Only one owner.
Yeah?
So isn't there a spot where all of us can be, or we have to be at? We want everybody to be one place, yeah. And we get something like that.
What we will have to do then, we'll have to make it 2 tents up top.
Yeah, we could do that.
So let me just close back this thing.
Okay.
Down that side already the camp spot. And we have to make this up. We don't finish second the ground here. Yeah, but I don't like it in the open.
Oh, yeah, she said she like when your tents them cover, even though they have their own.
Right in the valley, known for water. Really.
Right. So when it's a camping site, then it's best though. Huh? Come here.
You're big.
You see one hour ago? Too fucking lie.
You walk right away.
Jesus Christ, God. Yo! No! Thank God me never see my while ago. Thank God me never see none. Babes, don't have Wi-Fi down here? Perfect. Everybody come in slippers, you know see? Everybody come in slippers.
Where?
No sure she bingo, you know? Nobody sure no bingo.
Walking distance?
All camping done.
My guess? No funny stretch?
Sorry, Derek.
What?
You can see him? Yeah, got club. Are you there?
Okay, we find another fling pan him.
Where do we make you want to fling about this curve?
Not shoveling.
The man have it up.
Them? That mean more there?
Hey, let me just see one of them must be more. No, sir, what are we on the list me alone, don't you, so? But, no go, so. Curely she set up the tent them for you, so. Guys, the kids them start off fun instant. Gonna find things to play with. Them not stickle here, they find fun things. Yeah? One pool? Wanna see a river down there, so wanna do it pool. The squeak. It now broke. You see them big iron they will lock it.
So we are why you just stop the camera so. Alright, no.
Emma, what make your slippers off your foot? Put your slippers on.
Put your slippers, make it dirty up, put it on.
Put on your slippers. Cuties. We're gonna get set up and then I'm gonna come right back. Cuties, Scooby in the kitchen and chef it up while the motless are fix up the tent them. We have some seasoned chicken left over from Christmas. So we're going to chop it up.
Knife done.
It done? We're going to rub it on a stone out there, so So we are seeing, so we are cut it up and what do I call it now? Curry and curry it down. Jaruki them gone on the road and buy some rice and some juice and water. A good thing it's seasoned already though. Yes ma'am?
I want a snack.
You want a what?
Snack.
I'm not giving you the snack, I just bought you a plate of food and you did not eat it. So you're gonna wait until the food finish cooked, then you're gonna eat that. Okay? Okay. Okay guys, that is it. We have some bamiya, so we're gonna fry it tomorrow with some fish, some roast fish and some roast yam.
And I'm gonna play with the balls.
You're gonna play with the what?
Ball.
The ball? Where's the ball?
And she said tomorrow morning I can get it.
Okay, that's good. You can play with it in the water. In the river?
Yeah, but I can play it out here too.
Okay. You bring bath suit?
Yeah.
You ready for the river?
Yeah.
Good, me too. I'm ready for the river a long time.
And you want to see my basket?
Tomorrow you show me where they put it on, okay?
Yeah. My sister have one. Me and my sister have one. We always go up in this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Yes, cutie, that is it. I had to put this ear up because we already know. We didn't have to explain. I'm burning up outside in a Portland. Can you imagine? Nothing can go say, yo! Let's see what they want to just say. Guys, tomorrow I'm going to a proper tour of the place. So nice. Hello? She already gone 2 tents so far. She'll put the bed them inside now. And then she'll get the next one and bring up here as well. Yeah guys. This is way better. Hmm? Yeah? Don't go inside there yet today. You wait till she finish. You get bed. Don't put your slippers in there. The light hello man I walk on. Oh. So they have 3 beds in a 1 tent. Each of the tent them have 3 beds inside there. Yeah. It's not what we expected. Because you know the one at the bush, but the bush is too much. The bush is too much cow. We can't deal with that. So tomorrow I'm going to do a proper tour and show you how nice the place is, alright? Now I'm going to sit down and cool off my body. Your girl hot and tired. All night me there popping to try to get my hair done. All night. All night. Oh, Mr. All night is no exaggeration. I left popping this morning 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock or after 7. Yeah. Anyway, I'll tune back in later, okay?
See there. Push it down. Push it right down in that dirt, yeah. That's why I tell you say, draw out that one, yeah.
Yeah, right there. There you go.
If we go right down, right down. Right, teeth one of them bed. She not a tent.
They can't see it. They can't see it.
I don't want no one pillar.
Here.
Yeah, thank you.
They say they love you, but
I'm going to give her that pillar.
So, did you not build the next one?
The next one we are going to.
You build one tent too?
For myself, yeah.
So I build a tent now, they don't know, you can don't do now, do then now?
I simply want to go.
Oh, you go work on this, sir?
Yeah. Let's go take on the road here. Hey, fuck them.
Guys, Scooby got a river and bathe.
No.
And Scooby not see him. One supposed to be in the name there, in the river. Alright, cute is everybody at eat. Dark, you done build a tent? Yeah. Hey. It's feeble. You get bed for put in there? But Jerky, I'm telling you, you can't block off the road. You block off the road. We can never put it there, so.
You can't go down in the concrete. You have to put something there.
Guys, with camping site finish, we have Cherokee over here, so. Yes, I love it. Look shaky bad. Look a breeze blow you gone by your business. So you know if you see your uphill bed in there?
Yes.
You get one bed?
Yeah.
Oh. Bigger one look better, job. Look at bigger did a better job. I don't think it's brother, I think. The man said that tent here 4 people, 10 people. 4 person tent that the man say. A one bed in there. And then we have the big boss over here, so. Yes. Then you have next door. So me and my sister. And you got the kids them over here. We got kids in here. We got 3 bed in here, so. And then we have Scooby them over here, so. Yeah man, so the camping site ready. Lovely. Now it's time to eat. I'm starving. I'm hungry though. But then I'm going to edit too. Mine? Put it this way. Scooby can river go and bed. Eh? Yeah, sure can bring it. Come. As in come out of the fire. That is it. What's Cherokee there? What's Cherokee? So Cherokee, you're really gonna be there already? You never say you're not asleep.
I'm not ready to sleep, I lie down.
So how come you want to lie down all of a sudden?
I just rest my body a little bit. It's cold fit in here though.
It's cool for in here though, no, but you're the one that bush beside cow. A cow you're the one there with. But cool for in here. Yeah? And that I want to know. Anyway, you should have a different door though. Yes, there is a different door around this house. See that? You see it?
So my bed's so small.
You don't want more than that?
Not really, no.
Brother, you want a nice little size bed me get around here, so. It's high, it's just a little bit higher than yours. No, through my one little bit higher, so enough.
You see where I'm going to sleep?
That's the bigger one. Get one bed. You go with your sheet there.
See sheet there.
You're not cozy then, man. You're good. You're good to go.
Then I somebody have to do your stuff.
Yeah. No, you know, so I'm going to tonight. I'm going to go to bed. I can't sleep, so.
Last time I did the night, we nearly did.
No, you know about I tried. Oh, no, the bill the next set, ne? I have pack it up back. Okay. No, 2 tent left there. Pack them up, what will I do with them? Work, guys. Your girl stay working. I'm editing right now. You want to sleep with me? You want to sleep with me? Come here now when we can want to sleep with the baby then. With the baby then. Where is you? Okay, because nothing's wrong. So you walk it to someone more way out. Give me something every cartoon people walk. Oh, you sure? Cinderella. A Cinderella? A Cinderella with you? You win. 1 for me. 1 on score. I know. I mean, you win. The never see it. Come on there. First of all, never see it. Come on there. Who next? I can't get the well. Santa Claus! Santa Claus! You never need to tell. Bernie said, come on! Who next? A slug for you? Oh, you get that? Come, Emma. It's like, I'll be a cartoon on the no. Alright, come, let's go. You can't make no noise at all. Alright, do something again. Do something else. Backside now, what is now? I want cartoon, Ellie? Is that what is it? A bridge? A bridge? Come here. You can't drop on the paper though. That one is easy though. Animal?
Kangaroo?
Cat? Dog? Lion? Ready? 1, 2, 3, red light. Solo. Solo, go back and left. 1, 2, 3, red light. Alright, let me show you all that one. Everybody in their own line. Everybody. Nobody not going in front and nobody. Stay on the line and run. Look come back. Yeah. Don't run in front of nobody. No, when they reach us, you go over. Go over and go with spot. One, two, three, red light. Go back. 1, 2, 3, red light. Come on, let's go down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, red light. Go back to the end. Go back to the end. 1, 2, 3, red. 1, 2, 3, red light. Go back to the line down there, so. 1, 2, 3, red light. Hello, miss. What's on the line? 1, 2, 3, red light. 1, 2, 3, red light. 1, 2, 3, red light. Oh, you're in your phone. 1, 2, 3, red light. 1, 2, 3, red. Emma, we need to get your key. Emma, we got a pass. Come on, Emma, start. We're in process. A step is a step.
Oh, dear. We're not doing. We're not going to turn. I'm going to get that.
Alright guys, remember, again, when you turn on the car, move, not a car, but stay free.
1, 2, 3, red light. Me, I'm see you. I'm see you. Emma, I'm see you. Go back. 1, 2, 3, red light. Then we'll see and I'm see you. 1, 2, 3, red light. Then, let's start on the name. Emma. Okay, so we'll see you. Go back. 1, 2, 3, red light. Then we'll see you. They come in here. Then, go back, me. See you. 1, 2, 3, red
I lied on myself. I lied on myself. Birdie, your turn. Watch him. Mr. Emma, I think so. I think so. Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go. Get up.
Somebody gonna walk on the chair. I shot you.
Son, you there first, come on. Let's go. Alright. No, sir. Come, let's go. You have to trick him sometimes, play the music and cut it fast. I all lose. top and you the on top her.
I'm being busted up.
Oh! Alright, it's down to 2. Turn them back and back down.
No, sir. I'm tired.
Rotted! Then you miss it. No. Zoe. Yo.
That was nice.
Bombo no. Oh Lord. Lord of His mercy. Yes man, you want there, you get there. Mr. Mia, where you go? You just hug anybody.
One girl here, Ogaro. Yeah, Ogaro, yeah.
Good, don't say no. Don't say no, no. No, you want there, you figure. No, you want there. Alright, your turn. Ask somebody. Cuties are after 3. Everybody asleep except for me and Birdie. They are going to edit outdoor. But we are going to the Gideon, you know. Everybody asleep. We should have scared them. Jericho, you mean that I watch something, I say bright light. But bigger too? Blood clear bigger than sleep. Alright, cuties, night night. We're out. Kids, everybody sleeping. Good morning, guys. Cuties, I forgot bed. The girl by the monkey. I seen you never be no. My bed yesterday when before I leave out. But I never had a rush, I never get a good bed. I remember we didn't have a cow farm. And they were all over the place and then how much you know I drive. And last night, I'm afraid for going to because two frog park right there. So last night I decided to them now move. Did I see them? So I decided I never got over last night with bed. So right now I'm not getting a comfortable sleep. Very nice man. Oh God. Cuties, look at that. This is what you call Jamaica. Beautiful nature, yes. Pretty. You know, Salamander with the salt that's wake me up. All I saw that wake me up, you know. I saw the one make being so to say, you hear it? Let's go be sleeping in the van. You in the van? Yeah. Chicklins. Wake them up, Birdie. I'll make them stay a little longer. Allah, me hear me. Me hear somebody say me a while ago. Or a goat. Guys, I'll be alone on the see one next Sunday. Same way. Ufa. But Ellie no sleep off our in the tent them hot man. Open up the door them and left the mesh them lock. Birdie. Birdie. Lock the mesh pan the food tent. And just leave the next part down. Mr. One bigger come on one fat frog in the tent. They left one.
So now?
My frog, that's why the frog them come out last night.
Yeah.
At night. Oh, Birdie said I tell Nicholas smell like poop. You no come brush your teeth. You no come on. And rise up on the body little. Good morning. You alright? Peace lick him.
Well,
what the toothpaste on this soap? Oh, so I soap on the iron spring. We can get them.
Down the pretty man birdie. The
Put the stone, birdie.
yeah man, the whole of from whole of
Yeah.
this go up. Go straight down.
At the water, man. At the stone and the water. There's a rotted hole up there, so. And it not deep. And it not heavy, I mean. You say, you can't swim up there. Oh, down in the sea attack. Have a drop.
You know, say look like it's a stone.
Have a drop down there, me go. You can walk all down there, so.
River here wide and nice too.
You can imagine that's what the backyard? If me have some backyard, I turn to the same thing what the man do. Me don't know. Good morning. Morning, son. Look, come now. Look, come. But them not cold, them in a battery rather than hot. You did? Me get hot last night. Me get so hot, me have pull the window. You get hot now? I tell you no in the tent them. It was good, man. You know it's a rainfall last night? Rainfall heavy last night. A good thing for you. Yeah, so we're not going to me, I beg you to stay here, so, cause over there so look kind of like it have a drop. We're not going to what this saw? Yeah. The water feel cold? No man, this nice man. You see the stone here? That stone here not go no further than it. One little deeper part there so you can go. Yeah, but not go right. No, I never big people, I swimmer. Just have to swimmer call me a big people, I mean I go there. So not for big people.
I think I yellow. You see people there, man. Eh? Yeah.
Oh, then I have cigarette.
Yeah.
On my back. No, come here, come fly there, look who. Emma. No, can't see her.
It's pretty.
Hmm?
This is it. Now wait her up.
You throw them over something for the rock them or something.
Are close? No, now wait her up.
So weird. You know weird. Emma cool. Watch out, I want to run down. We up this.
Hiding.
I don't know why the Friday feel like it all night, man.
What go this one? On the stone. The fur. It a go down, not go no further than this.
You're not going to go over there, you know? Oh, but I can't swim.
Just float.
Just stay wait there right on the foot. You see? Right that's not no further.
Just rain been a fall. Rain been a drizzle. That's it was fall. They're cold already.
Look what my ears.
How she a shake already? Poor Alien shake already. It water resistant? It,
Not big at it. Oh.
you reach fast though. See it right there, sir.
Why is the rain flop the morning, babe? The rain don't need. Woo. Just as a little bit that gets squeezed. Who for 10?
All the details are fucking yeah.
You could have been in the rain.
The here?
Oh.
We get come soon. Cute as it look like the rain ease up back now, so we're gonna be here. We're gonna come back. Okay? The one that not look on fair top. Scooby, reach on that white towel and for me that towel you read me up.
Debit card, right?
Eh?
Debit card?
The USAA card. No, sorry, not USAA. Smelling spiffy. Yeah. Now we're gonna do with some breakfast. Me, I gotta finish upload my video because today is Monday. And yeah, we'll just finish the video and get to going. Go to the beach or something. So look, river water sweet. Begin to feel like you want to be.
Again?
You be this morning?
What time did you last night?
I know this one letter last night.
What time did I do last night? You did last night? So what will be a 2 every night?
You don't have to tell the world something I did last night. You don't have to tell the world at all. So cute is my uncle disappear.
Beach you go?
Yeah.
So you are going to go beach?
I don't know, me don't have to be at the beach.
You did last night?
Stop telling the world something I did last night or what? You see my uncle swear. The girl uncle disappear. Blend right in with her, what you call it so? What is tie? Leg. It blend in. Jar, can you make breakfast? A breakfast you make, Jar? We're taking Jar. Birdie over here, sir. Get the kids them together. Help them change them clothes and all them something there. Pack up the wet clothes them neatly over there, so. Cuties, they have a bar area, them also sell liquor. Over here, so them have a bathroom in them, but I'm not sure if there's a shower inside there. Let me go look. I know there's a toilet and all that stuff. Well, there's only toilet and a face basin. They have a mirror. How old that?
Yeah.
One toilet run is that too?
No, I'm changing.
Oh, it's a changing room. Okay. Guys, we the car for a while ago. I wonder how I gone. So I guess there's a changing room on that side. Wanna do something? I walk, big man.
That.
Voila.
Oh, you go around.
Yeah. Them have more camping ground on there, so. This is the kitchen. Anybody can use the kitchen. I think we showed the kitchen last night. If I even 100 people there, I'm just pick on a spot. It's so pretty out here, and over here, so them have a next little camping ground. A camping ground, you call it? Whatever it is. But they sent them can set up inside there, so you know, you build a little fire out here, so. And then the riverside there, so. There's also a little changing room right there, so. Now the bushman, I don't know if you can see that. Then you come back up here, so. And you have. Is that what you saw full of frog last night? The only problem that me have, my love, I'm afraid of frog, bad. Yeah, well, look a camping area as well. You can put a bigger tent there. It's like a one person. You can have a bigger tent there if you want. Have a little kitchen area too. Right here says another camping area. But now I'm gonna further. It's really nice, guys. Really, really nice. Very convenient, you know? You're one with nature down here. I mean, you do have a little bit of technology and thing, but at the end of the day, it's still camping. We're outside asleep. And that me call camping. Jaruk is supposed to make breakfast, but he must Scooby over here, Eagle. That is that. Could go back on us and too. Jerky, when you make breakfast, call me here. And then you have this nice little area. I don't know if I showed that last night. Only can sit down in here, so we play games last night. The way them boy them down here make music last night, I don't know if we can't hear the game now, we would play. The step then there's a forgot this, so. You have the kids play area over there, so. Right, I say you have a indoor cabin. You have a cabin over here, so in case you don't want to be outside. They have the playground. Children must have adult supervision. All of the playground rules over there, sir. Lovely. You have swing, slide, all of the above. Trampoline. This is nice. I don't know who came up with this idea, but this is lovely. And they have some type of jacuzzi type thing around here, so but it don't know water in there. Yeah. That is it. I don't know if I'm going to show you the name. But that is it right there. People live right up at top of this, so I'm not alone. And of course, we're showing you this morning. To me, is the best part. Oh my God, so pretty. Yeah, and that is it. Huh? You do what? Swing. What's that? Swing. Swing. Nobody dirt up yourself. Birdie over here, so chef it up. So, Birdie, so oh, you not use the cutting board? You don't move so much faster. No splitting in the board. Oh, that's so. So why not look at the pipe? You don't know if a tank water here where you sit? What be in the big river? Alright, go and do the thing. Remember for the food for me, unless you don't want to wait him there. Alright.
Morning just like this.
Yeah, morning. Alright, warming up. Oh, you're not put on none of that yet. Sorry. That's cool.
A natural cooking oil.
A natural cooking oil. Adapt movie use. Let me get this. It's Jamaica full of colors and this stuff. See, they're right the center there. So the kids are having breakfast, courtesy by Birdie. She don't like the camera at all.
Cuties, my plate empty. Me eat some overnight rice. Hopefully your girl will fall asleep today. I don't know overnight rice though. That's so much better. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely. That's how I want to live. No, it's not she. So we are leader. Jerky, you don't eat? Eat already? You eat far early this morning? Yeah, up and eat.
Hey, Birdie sleep with that blood clot like last night to me. You imagine that?
And the weed.
She had did something in there. What do you call that? Campari.
And a compare she drink a rum and lime.
How many takes a Campari she got sleep with last
Rum and
night?
lime.
Well flat out.
We not sleep with last night more than the Pepsi over so that it back.
So I'm going to show me the red something that I did. That's very nice.
Red.
How will that happen?
I'm a Guinean we now rum and
Oh, Jesus.
Yo!
I see you rub up with it.
Nigga, come.
Let me know must carry.
Y'all gotta do a cheer. Come on, man. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to beers.
Katawud.
Cheers to beers.
No matter what y'all drink.
Katawud.
Katawud.
I know that I'm around here.
Cuties, newbies, thank you so much for watching. Guys, I'm asking you to please like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and most importantly, stay tuned for part 2, because that is where the fun is. Okay, that's where the fun began. Cuties, can I please get 1,000 likes? Can I get my first 1,000 likes on this vlog, please? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.